Hello, wise viewers. Welcome to the second episode of our tutorial series on mobile mirroring, also known as mobile casting. In this second episode, we will delve into how you can display your mobile screen on your PC and vice versa, creating a seamless connection between your devices. Stay tuned to learn more about enhancing your productivity and entertainment experience with this handy technique. Now, the second method we're going to talk about is a method where we use an application called SCRCPY, which is basically an abbreviation for screen copy. So this is the second method we are going to use, and let us start showing you how to. The first step, we need to set up our mobile phone, and we will start by going to the settings, and then we will go scroll down until we go to about phones. And here we will go down to software information. And then we will go here to build number, and we will click it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How you enter your PIN. And now you go back to the main menu, and you will see that at the bottom there is developer options added to the menu. So if you click on the developer options here, and we go to search, we go to the search here, you search for USB debugging, and where is it, USB, hold on, just let me do it again. USB, and that's it, USB debugging. So we need to enable USB debugging. Next, you need to connect your mobile to your PC via the USB, and you will get a message asking you to allow USB debugging. You can choose always from this computer, and then you can press or click allow to grant access to phone data. So now what we need to do is to go to our browser and Google for this software, SCRCPY, which is an abbreviation for screen copy. And this is the first option you will get, which is from GitHub. And I will make your life easier by leaving link for it in the description. So you just click on it, and then you go to the right side here, and you will see the latest release. So you just click on it again, and you scroll downward, and here you will see the releases, and you will choose the version suitable for your Windows. I have Win64, so that's the one I'm going to choose. And once it is downloaded, it will be downloaded in a zip format, so you will need to unzip it. I use WinRAR, but you can use any software. And once it is unzipped, you just go to the folder, and that folder is in the downloads here. That's the one. So this is the folder. I just open it, and then I will go to this file. I will go to this file, SCRCPY, non-console, which is a VP script file. You just open that file, and it will take just a couple of seconds before it will connect your mobile to the PC, and you will see your mobile screen reflected on your monitor. Now, by using the mouse, I can control my mobile. I can swipe left, swipe right. I can access my Instagram. I can go to the Google, check my emails. I can play games, go to the calendar, go to the Play Store. So everything you do, basically everything you do on your mobile, you can do it here from your PC. And also you can use your mobile, and whatever you do on your mobile will be reflected on your PC. So now, for example, I am swiping left and right my screen from the mobile. So that's basically this method by using the SCRCPY software or application. And the only problem with this method is that you have to use a USB wire. You have to use a USB link. So this is the only disadvantage of this method. And we will solve this disadvantage in the third method, where we will connect the mobile to the PC using a wireless method. So see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you wise guys in the next video. Take care.